While mental health is being discussed more freely and openly than it was in the past, there is still stigma about it in some communities. We now know that mental health challenges can be just as debilitating as physical challenges, and they need to be taken just as seriously. That said, when it is busy season on the farm, we may easily overlook the telltale signs that someone is experiencing mental health challenges, such as depression that, gone untreated, can spiral. Because of the stigma associated with mental health, some farm workers may be reluctant to share these issues with someone else and even play them down in their own minds. Be on the lookout for someone who may seem withdrawn or out of sorts. Take them aside and talk with them, whether it's an issue at work or even home. By listening, we can play an important role, offering support or directing them to professional help. Do everything possible to make your workplace one that recognizes mental health is as important as physical health, and that mental health challenges are not signs of weakness, and that it's okay to talk about it.